No one here.
Aha.
Let's begin.
Okay.
The fried potatoes taste delicious.
Stop right there, you thieves.
Oh no.
You two will have to work for my pizza factory.
Inside fast food factory.
Let's begin. All right.
The pizza crust is ready.
How to build the topping filling machine. Install the engine. Add the topping station. Add the chain. Testing. Add the pizza toppings.
Oh yeah.
That's great. The batch of pizza is done. Let's move on to making burgers.
2,000 years later.
Boss, can we leave yet?
No, now you have to eat all the food.
What the hell? How? I'd like to order 1 Coke and 1 cheeseburger.
Okay.
How was a cheeseburger made? McDonald's Burger Factory. 1 bottom bun. 1 beef patty. 1 cheese. 1, 2, 3 tomato. 1 top bun. Cheeseburger done.
Your cheeseburger is ready.
Thank you.
How to build the burger factory. The conveyor. Step 1. Build the conveyor. Step 2. Testing. The topping area. Step 1. Build the topping area. Step 2. Testing. Step 3. Set up. Zone 1. Zone 2. Zone 3.
I'd like 1 hamburger.
Okay.
I'd like 1 Big Mac.
Okay.
1 bottom bun. 1 lettuce. 1 ham. 1 cheese. 1 more ham. 1, 2, 3 bell putter. 1 top bun.
Your hamburger is ready.
Thank you.
1 bottom bun. 1 lettuce. 1 beef patty. 1 cheese. 1 more bottom bun. 1 more lettuce. 1 more beef patty. 1 more cheese. 1, 2, 3 tomato. 1 top bun.
Here is your Big Mac. Enjoy your meal.
Keep the change. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. Good morning, guys.
Juice vending machine.
Want blueberry.
Kindly wait. Processing now.
Processing now.
Orange juice. Blueberry juice.
Great. Got our drink. Awesome.
YOLO.
Yummy.
Ice cream vending
What
machine.
favor do you want?
Just buy all. I have plenty of money.
The ice cream here is delicious.
Apple. Add the apple. Mix it. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
So yummy.
How to build the ice cream machine. Mixer zone. Push zone. Build the mixer zone. Step 1. Build a mixer blade. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Testing a mixer blade. Build the push zone. Step 1. Build a patong. Step 2. Build the engine. Step 3. Complete assembly.
It's all mine.
Come on, fill it up.
Mixing. Add human bones. Bananas. Add bananas. Dispensing ice cream. Add the sprinkles.
The taste is disgusting.
Fast food vending machine.
I'm starving. Hope I can get the hamburger.
Input the money. The strawberry donut.
Oh, a donut. I don't need this.
Input the money. The pizza.
I need to drive that. This is my last bit of money.
Burger.
Stupid machine.
You know what? The boss is looking for a delivery truck. I will build it to get money.
What? I also build a car to get that money.
Let's see which one will win.
Okay, I agree. How to build the chain shaker. Step 1. Build the chain shaker frame. Step 2. Build the container. Step 3. Assemble the container into the vehicle. What about your vehicle?
Here it is.
How to build the Summit Seeker. Step 1. Build the Summit Seeker frame. Step 2. Build the reduction motor. Step 3. Build container. Step 4. Assemble the container into the vehicle.
Let's start.
Level 1. Speed test. Chain shaker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Fail. Oh no. Summit Seeker. Test with the popcorn. Test with Lego parts. Pass.
You lose.
Let's try again. Level 2. Bump. Chain shaker. Clear. The Summit Seeker. Fail. The boss will be pleased with us.
I think so.
What are you guys doing with my Lego parts? Salary cut.
Salary cut.
Ha! Haven't run out of ingredients yet. Oh no! Ingredients for my ice cream. What should I do now? Aha! I'm saved.
Milk. Sugar.
Yummy, yummy. Yellow ice cream.
Kindly wait.
So cool.
I want it.
Ice cream.
I guess it's banana flavor.
Haha! That's right.
I want a red ice cream.
Green, please.
Okay.
Maybe strawberry.
No, it's watermelon flavor.
The apple ice cream.
I'm sure this ice cream is made from kiwi.
Jack is right twice.
Yeah, I win.
Brr, I've never been right.